So do you want to dive on into editing?
Uh, whatever your preference, either to edit or just to let us know what those menu items are at the top, whichever order you prefer.
Okay, well, so we went over details. If we go to add-ons, here's where you can order a floor plan. It's provided by Matterport. This floor plan is $14.99, and you order it here, and then they'll send you an email when it's ready. If we hit the back button, no, not back button, right there. A lot of these I haven't used before, but I've ordered a matter pack. It's a little too deep for today, but you can order a matter pack. You can order an E57 data file. If you're doing a scan for insurance purposes, you can get a true plan for Xactimate. I have used the Google Street View publication, and that's really handy. So if you click that, you can go through, it's a whole bunch of menus, but basically you could publish this on Google Street View. We don't do it for residential listings. We do it for businesses, and that's really helpful. And let's see what else. We can order a BIM file. Matterport charges a lot for their BIM files, but somebody's got to do the work. So if you needed a BIM file, you could order that here. And then the VR, BO, and HomeAway 360, I haven't used that, but I'm going to assume that this is kind of similar to Street View, but for these particular sites, you can click that and go through the process of publishing there. And then the content distribution for real estate, again, I haven't used that one, but it looks like you can click it and it will publish to Redfin, Realtor, and Homes.com. I usually leave that up to the agents to publish those, and what they tend to do is put it on MLS and then it syndicates to all the sites.
Anyway, so if you just go back, if you pause there just for a second. So for the purposes of our demo today, we're really assuming that you're new to a Matterport Pro2, Pro3 camera. Maybe you're doing residential real estate, commercial real estate. So if you see some of these other terms and you're curious about them, Matter Pack, E57 file, True Plan for Xactimate, BIM file, you can go to the We Get Around Network forum, wegetaroundnetworkforum.com, and either search in the top search bar for one of those keywords, and you'll see if it's in a subject of a post, or most likely you'll be able to go over to the tags section and search for all We Get Around Network forum posts that discuss Matter Pack or E57 file or True Plan or BIM file. So that's not going to be part of today's show of demoing those features, but just so that you know. And then also is on schematic floor plans, even True Plan for Xactimate, BIM file. There are third-party companies that also offer these solutions. So again, you can find those in the We Get Around Network forum. If you go right up to the top, there's a tab that says Marketplace, and you'll find other providers. So personally, I'd probably suggest getting started with Matterport floor plans. It's easy and it's basic, but then you may find you decide that you want color floor plans, or your space is bigger than what Matterport will do, or you have some very specific requirements, and there are third-party companies that will do that. Thanks, Tom.
Yep.
Off to media.